Hey guys, this is the Fearless Bloxy here for another pizza party event. It's not going to be a tutorial, but it's going to be an opinion. In my opinion, I think the pizza party event might be the hardest Roblox event in history. So these are the 4 easiest items in the event: the royalty crown, the piñata hat, boombox backpack, and the balloon powderons. These just involve shooting people with pizzas, collecting pizzas, getting hit by pizzas, and jumping off a map in pizza games. These three, this green pizza launcher is given by an admin. If you get shot, you get an award item, 1 out of 7. This is a video star. Poke, Twisted Pandora, Dieter Plays, G-Rated Fam, you know. If you get shot by this, you get another award item, the Afro. This is the developer launcher. The developer of each game will get this and will be in their game shooting us. This is really hard to be shot by because there's thousands, hundreds of thousands of people in these 20 assorted games, and you're not likely to get in the same server as them. So let's go to games and I'll give you an example. It's not like the devs are gonna be online for like an hour or anything, or for a very long time. Look, Aqualotto is not even on. So it's pretty much impossible to find one of these developers, admins, or video stars in the game. Look, admin, 52 admins have been shot, have shot people. 64 people have been shot, and 131 people have been shot. So only 131 people, and out of about 100,000 people participating in this pizza party event. How in the world are we going to be able to get this? At least tens of thousands of people got the bronze crown and the emerald crown in the Ready Player One, but this is practically impossible.